Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn on and off vanish mode on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you open the app, you will see the messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Now, choose the user you want to use vanish mode. You will see the eye icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. There you will see the vanish mode. You can easily turn on and off vanish mode using the toggle button. This is how you use vanish mode on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to turn on and off vanish mode on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.